Hello children, I hope you are fine by the grace of God. In my previous class, I started lesson 3, Rain Come Again. So today, we are going to understand some of the more points of this lesson. Rain comes after hot summer days and reduces the heat. In winter, it increases the cold. It also causes some inconvenience. Inconvenience. What is the meaning of inconvenience, children? Let me explain you. Here, it's a meaning of inconvenience. The states or facts of being troubled someone or difficult with regular to one's personal requirement or comfort. It's like uncomfortable. We can say in a simple word, uncomfortable. Meaning of inconvenience is clear to you all now. So it's inconvenience. When it is heavy rain, it is inconvenience. Nowadays, we people are suffering from heavy rain, right? So this sort of things we are also suffering, like muddy and sleepy roads and water collects in puddles. These all things we are suffering. Flies and mosquitoes multiply in number. Flies and mosquitoes multiply in number. People fall ill from diseases like cholera and malaria, which sometimes become epidemic. Farmers need rain because it is good for crops. Unexpected rains during harvesting spoil the crops. It's true. As changes in the weather affects our life in many ways, we have a meteorological department to forecast the weather. It's like they'll give us information of the weather forecast. The advanced information of weathercast condition is called weather forecast. Like example, newspapers are there, radio, television, these all are the things. With the help of these things, we are aware of. So with these two passages, you got to know why some people are inconvenienced. What is the reason? Because of heavy rain and one more thing, like sleepy and muddy roads will be there, and water collects in puddles. If water collects in puddles, then anyhow we can see our environment will be spoiled, like flies and mosquitoes will be there, and again some of the people will feel ill and they suffer from diseases like malaria and all. And for like this information, that is called as weather forecast. With the help of what things we are going to know the weathercast forecast? Newspaper, radio and television. Nowadays in mobile also we have information. What is the condition of our atmosphere, weather and all. We are getting this sort of information. Children, I underline some of the vocabulary here. Read and write one time. Read these passages to improve your reading part. Stay home, stay safe.